Hello traders. Download free expert advisor for everyone. Yes, it's free for you. In video part 1, we have seen the results of live trading from 2018. Earning a profit of 3,088% or worth $9,323,575. And in this part 2 video I will show the backtest results with standard settings. From January 2022, September 2022. Watch this video until it's finished so you get complete information. And if you are new, you can subscribe to get other expert advisors when I upload videos. The details of this video, I will continue from video part 1. If you haven't watched video part 1 about EA's Waka Waka Faka review, you can check on this channel. Four. Backtest Australian dollar to Canadian dollar pair from January 2022. I will try to backtest with Australian dollar to Canadian dollar pair with time frame M15, spread 20 and capital $1,000. For the settings I will leave the default. Okay, this is the result. Backtest starts from January 18, 2022, until September 26, 2022. Maximum loss minus $10.73 in each transaction. And the biggest profit from each transaction is $40.15. For his profit graph like this, it looks like there is a drawdown in the 50th transaction. The results of backtesting the Australian dollar to Canadian dollar pair for 9 months got a profit of $149. 14% drawdown. Consecutive losses 4 transactions. Consecutive win 24 transactions. With a total of 267 trades. 208 times profit and 59 times loss. 5. Backtest pair New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar from January 2022. New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar is one of the recommended pairs from the expert advisor development team Waka Waka EA. For preset settings I will use the default with a capital of $1,000, as well as M15 and spread 20 time frames. Backtest starts from January 17, 2022 with an open position of 0.01 lots. And the backtest ended on October 3, 2022. During that period the biggest loss was in one transaction minus $14.11. And the biggest profit is $50.52. And the results of the New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar backtest for approximately 9 months are as follows. Total net profit $155.67. Drawdown 12.18%. Consecutive losses 5 times. Consecutive wins 16 times. Total traded 280 transactions. Profit 217 transactions and loss 63 transactions. 6. Backtest pair Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar from January 2022. Okay, then pair Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar. One of the recommended pairs too. For setting the time frame is still M15 with a spread of 20. $1,000 capital. The backtest starts from January 6, 2022 to August 30, 2022. The biggest loss in one transaction is minus $7.25. and the biggest profit was $12.88. The backtest results are like this. Total profit 80.44. Drawdown 3.67%. Consecutive wins 16 times. Consecutive losses 3 times. Total traded 184 transactions. 7. Backtest pair Euro to US dollar from January 2022. What are the results of the pair that was not recommended by the expert advisor development team Waka Waka EA? Will the result be good? Let's see the result. But unfortunately the results here we get a fairly large loss. Total loss minus $635. And the rest you can see here. Okay, let's see the details. The biggest loss in each transaction is minus $162. 8. Backtest pair pound sterling to US dollar from January 2022. Next I will test pair pound sterling to US dollar. Will it be profitable? Please pay attention to the results. Unfortunately, here we get a backtest data loss of minus $926. And the rest you can pay attention to the detailed information. 9. Backtest pair gold ounce per US dollar from January 2022. Then for gold, I will also try to backtest. I changed the setting on the spread to 100. Oh, here I also have to change the spread parameter setting of the expert advisor. I'm going to set the spread to 200. But here, unfortunately, we get poor results. Okay, I will try to conclude the results of the backtest. My advice is to use the settings according to the recommendations from the development team. Namely the pair Australian dollar to Canadian dollar, Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar and New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar. With the M15 time frame and the broker uses the ECN type. For brokers, you can check the description link for registration. What do you think about expert advisor Waka Waka EA? Please provide your comments about this expert advisor. Make sure you study before deciding to use a real account. You can also check other videos about expert advisors. And it's free.